The fabric usually comes with a zip tie at the ends. I find it easier to keep the zip tied, but if you don't have it or want to cut it, then you can run your fingers to gather the ends evenly before tying. I'm showing you this step with my longer fabric, which I use as an aerial silk. To tie the knot, place the fabric on your left arm with the longer end close to your body and the short side on the outside. Use your right hand to grab the short end and left hand to grab the long end. Now you can push the knot down by pulling your left hand up. Here's a playback in slow motion. Now grab the short end and through the knot again. Add the carabiner onto the knot. And then you can keep wrapping the short end and pull the knot tight. I'm also going to hide the zip tie.